Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the basics so we can fix Siri efficiently. First, check iOS version and available storage because outdated software or full storage breaks background services. Once done, make sure Siri and Listen for Hey Siri are enabled and the microphone permission is granted. This directly affects voice input. Restart your iPhone to clear transient glitches. After reboot, open Notes and speak to test the microphone. This tells you whether the issue is Siri-specific or a hardware/input problem. Now you'll perform the core fixes that resolve most problems. Turn Siri off and back on to restart its background services. Disabling then re-enabling forces the system to reinitialize. Next, reset the Hey Siri voice model and retrain it so Siri recognizes your voice accurately. This addresses wake word failures. Make sure your network is stable. Siri needs internet for many requests, so toggle Wi-Fi or cellular, disconnect VPNs, and confirm airplane mode is off before continuing. Finish by applying updates and deeper resets as needed. If an iOS update is available, install it because fixes often ship with system updates. Then test Siri again. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear corrupted network profiles, or choose Reset All Settings to restore defaults without erasing data. If Siri still fails, especially if microphone or Face ID issues appear, suspect hardware and contact Apple support or visit a Genius bar. A final tip: keep a quick backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.